Hi, my name is Lauren Fields. I'm an attorney on the domestic litigation team at Roth Davies, LLC. Today I'm going to answer some common questions asked to attorneys in divorce cases. Are homemakers entitled to the assets and debts of the other spouse? The answer is yes. If you were a homemaker and did not work during the entire marriage or didn't work for the majority of the marriage, you are still subject to your other spouse's assets. If your spouse is working full-time during the marriage, you still may be entitled to 50% of his retirement that accrued during the marriage. Just because you were a homemaker and decided to stay home and raise children does not penalize you in dividing the assets and debts during the marriage. You also might be entitled to spousal maintenance to rehabilitate you to find a job later on.